I'm talking about a free alternative to Gemini using tools like GROK and Seedance 2.0. Watch this till the end because I'll show you 2 extra AI tools you can start using today for free.
Good news, guys. I've been able to make my research and I came across this particular platform that is better than GENV. And guys, you can access GROK AI and Seedance 2.0 for free. In today's video, I will show you how to get that done. First, you need to head over to your Play Store and type in Tinker Shopify. Yes, you heard that right. Please take note of the logo, the particular logo that you must click, because we have many of them. So once you select that one, go ahead and install it into your phone. Mind you, this is only applicable for those of us that are using mobile. So if you have a mobile phone, you can access this particular platform. And guys, it's mind-blowing. The video you watched from the beginning of this video was created using that version, up to 15 seconds long. Guys, this is a game changer for content creators who are looking for free AI tools to keep generating. So the moment you install it into your phone, the next thing you're going to see is to sign in. Once you sign in, just select any email of your choice. You can decide to use a temporary email. Try it. Let me know in the comment section if it works with a temporary email, okay? But I haven't tried that. But as of today, as I'm making this video, this particular platform is completely free. So go ahead, accept everything, and let's start generating. And guys, the result is insane. You won't believe this. So this app has been here. So now when you enter into the interface, you want to see this amazing interface. Awesome. Now you can see the featured images, like product images, video created by other people using this platform, like product images, all of these were created by some other creators. And so you are going to see that image, okay? You see slide to generate, okay? Once you select just choose your prompt, okay? When you click on that Google Gemini to select your model. Now I selected GROK Imagine as my model, my image generator, because I want to generate an image. But first, I want to use an existing email and manipulate it. Let's see if this platform can literally manipulate this image and make this image to wear the clothes I'm going to give to this to the image. Okay, so now this is a game changer for those of you that are in the fashion niche and you want to put on use to create images like this. Okay, go ahead and use this platform as well. It will serve better. So I gave a simple prompt after uploading that image, and guys, the result will blow your mind. Now, the picture I uploaded did not have a human face, so I wanted it to be worn by a complete human and make it hyper realistic. Then you can see, just slide it and you're going to see to start generating, and in no time your image is ready. Beautiful. So you can see how hyper realistic this image is. Look at the before and look at the origin. This is a look at the original, and this is the image generated. Hyper realistic. So you click on these 3 dots and download it into your phone. We are done. So go back to the platform and let's generate a video this time around. So I go ahead to select my model and I selected Seedance, okay, as my video generator. And I already have my prompts I'm going to use, okay. This prompt is generated by ChatGPT. I'm going to use it. So once you pasted your prompt, okay, I just want to add a few lines, like maybe the aspect ratio. So in case there is any issue with aspect ratio, okay, with the platform, because this is like, let's see if it's actually going to give me the result, okay. So I added the aspect ratio to be 16:9, right? That the YouTube long form. Now, when that was done, and I didn't see where to access my aspect ratio, I looked down, I was able to find additional settings. So I click on that additional settings, right? When I open it up, I was able to see audio. I was able to see the second, the duration. They can generate up to 15 seconds long. This is beautiful, guys. And you can select your aspect ratio to 16:9. I was also blown away. And you can see the resolution. You have 720, 480, and so on. So you select the one of your choice. I love using, so you smash that generate, slide to generate, and to start generating. Guys, the result is insane. I have never seen an app yet just like this. This is better than GENV. Now that GENV is no longer free, hop on this and start generating. As of the day I'm making this video, okay, this platform is completely free. No ads, no ads is, you don't have to watch any ads, you don't have to input any card, no subscription. Everything is smooth and amazing. So guys, watch the result. This is already crazy. So for you to find the sound of this video, okay, so you can listen to the video, is for you to tap on the video itself and you see the sound button. Unmute it and you can mute it. So guys, go ahead and try this. Let me know in the comment section what you feel. I'm going to use this particular app to generate another video, so you don't think that it's just one video. You can generate unlimited. As at the moment I'm making this video, it remains unlimited. No charges, no hidden charges, no hidden paywall. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And the quality is insane. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and generate for the second image. I'm going to go ahead and generate the second video. So we are going to generate another one. Switch over to video. This time around, we are going to be using KLING Video Generator. Let's see what KLING AI can do, okay? So we go ahead and paste our prompt. Go ahead, do your additional settings, complete all your settings, and slide to generate. As simple as that. No confusing interface. The interface is friendly and anybody can use it. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this. And 1, 2, 3, the image is here.
I'm talking about a free alternative to Gemini using tools like GROK and Seedance 2.0. Watch this till the end because I'll show you 2 extra AI tools you can start using today for free.
So guys, let me know what you think about this. And also, while this, I will drop the link to get the app in the description of this video. So go ahead and try it yourself. Come back and tell me that it is working. And I will see you in the next one.